Most traders lose money because they enter the market at the top or panic at the bottom. In this 1-hour timeframe chart, I will show you how big players move price to trap small traders before the real move starts. You will learn how price is pushed into a strong buying zone, how the market shows a clear change before moving up, and how smart traders wait instead of guessing. Watch till the end, because this will change the way you see every chart forever. An unmitigated point of interest is a price area where big traders entered the market strongly, but not all their orders were filled. Because of that, price moves away fast and leaves unfinished business behind. In this chart, you can see price moved up strongly from this zone, which tells us that buyers were active there. Later, price comes back to the same area, not by accident, but to complete those remaining buy orders. Many beginners think the market is falling and start selling here, but smart traders understand this is a strong buying area. This zone works like a magnet for price, because big traders want to defend their position. That is why waiting for price to reach this area and then looking for buying confirmation gives a higher probability trade. The market repeats this behavior again and again because large money needs liquidity to move price. Low time frame change of character means the market is changing its direction on a smaller chart. In this chart, price was moving down and making lower highs and lower lows, which shows sellers were in control. When price reaches the strong buying zone, the downward movement starts to lose strength. Then price breaks the most recent lower high and holds above it, showing that buyers are now stepping in. This break is the change of character, and it tells us the selling pressure is weakening. It is not a signal to chase the move, but a sign that the direction has shifted. Smart traders wait for this change before thinking about buying. This helps beginners avoid entering too early and getting trapped in the old trend. Internal inducement is when the market creates small attractive moves inside a bigger move to pull traders into wrong entries. In this chart, while price is moving down toward a strong buying zone, the market creates short upward moves that look like a real reversal. Beginners see these small rises and start buying early, thinking the market will go up from there. When enough traders enter, the market suddenly drops again and takes their stop losses. This drop is not random. It is done to collect liquidity before the real move starts. Big traders use this process to fill their buy orders at better prices. Understanding internal inducement helps beginners avoid getting trapped by small, false moves and teaches them to wait for price to reach the important area before trusting any reversal. External or major inducement is when the market creates obvious highs and lows on the chart to attract many traders into one side of the trade. In this chart, price moves up and forms clear highs that look like a strong upward trend. Many beginners buy near these highs because they believe the market will continue going up. Their stop losses are placed below the recent lows, which creates a pool of orders for big traders to use. After enough traders are attracted, the market turns and moves down sharply toward the strong buying zone. This move is not a failure of the market. It is a planned move to collect liquidity from trapped traders. Big traders use this major inducement to gather enough orders so they can enter large buy positions at better prices later. Buy-side liquidity means the group of buy orders and stop losses that are placed above clear highs on the chart. In this chart, price forms obvious highs that many traders can see. When traders sell the market, they usually place their stop losses above these highs. At the same time, breakout buyers place their buy orders above the same area, expecting price to continue moving up. This creates a large pool of orders resting above the highs. Big traders need this pool of orders to exit their positions or to add to their trades without moving the market against themselves. That is why price is often driven upward into these highs. When price reaches this area, many stop losses are triggered and many buy orders are filled, which provides liquidity for big traders to complete their transactions. This is why price often reacts strongly after touching these obvious high areas on the chart. First, we decide the direction of the trade by looking at the 1-hour time frame, and we focus only on buying. Then we wait for price to return to a strong buying zone where big traders were active before. While price is coming down, the market creates small fake moves to attract early buyers, and their stop losses help build liquidity. When price reaches the buying zone, we do not enter immediately because the market can still move lower. We wait for the market to show a clear change in direction on the lower time frame, which tells us that buyers are now in control. After this change, we wait for price to pull back into a cheaper area, which is called trading at a discount. Following discount traders means we only buy when price is offered at a lower value instead of chasing high prices. Our stop loss is placed below the recent low to protect the trade. Our target is set near the clear highs where many stop losses are resting. This process keeps beginners patient and helps them trade with the bigger players instead of against them. Most traders enter the market after price has already moved and then wonder why the trade fails. When price is moving up, they buy because they feel fear of missing out. And when price is moving down, they sell because they feel scared. Professional traders do not trade emotions. They trade value. They wait for price to return to a cheaper level before buying and a higher level before selling. This channel is built on one simple idea: follow discount traders and avoid chasing expensive prices. Here you will learn how to identify strong buying and selling areas, how to wait for the market to show clear direction before entering, and how to protect your capital with smart risk management. We focus on patience instead of prediction, planning instead of guessing, and discipline instead of hope. If you're tired of random entries and emotional decisions, stay here and learn how to trade like a professional, one clear setup at a time.